you finish your training, and when you finish the training, you have to undergo as you have said, you have to undergo some exams. So merchant navy is all about exams, work, and ethics. So you have to follow the whole thing, clear exams, get a competency certificate, and then you climb up a ladder. And there's a minimum stipulated time for sailing. You have to, follow that. You have to finish all those criterias before applying for exam, and then clear the exam. So when you become an officer, an engineering watchkeeping officer, or a deck navigation officer, that time is where your salary starts coming in. And now, depending on the salary, so it totally depends on the type of ship, the company, the route which you're following. So it totally differs. It can range from a minimal of 700, $800 to a maximum. I'm talking about the entry level or an officer state. It can go from 700, $800 to almost like $2,000. That depends. Some companies are like that. They employ you year round. So
Okay.
they give you the whole salary when you're on ship, the amount of time you're on ship. When you're on land, they give you some amount. But like other companies, they only employ you on a contractual basis. So you only get your salary till the time you're on the ship. So if you are going for say around 6-7 months, so you'll be only getting paid for that 6-7 months. The day you join the ship and the day you get down from the ship, you'll be only paid for that amount of period.
Okay. Is it like a contractual payment of 6 months in a lump sum way, or you'll get a salary like regularly in a month,
It's a monthly basis, sir. It's
monthly
like you
basis?
you have to do yeah. So the one you're talking about, generally management companies does that. They have like the one I'm working in. So they give you a contract, and that contract, everything is written, how much would be your salary, and they'll be paying you every monthly and everything. So whole details will be written. So you get to know, and then when you're on board, you start getting your salary like that wise.
Okay.
So
So
it's
this
like
is
your salary is credited every month.
okay. So this is kind of a project you are going to get for a 6 months, for sometimes 3 months, for sometimes 8 months even. And what about the
Yes.
next one? Just a minute, Viplav. Gaurav, I'll give you a chance to ask the question. Let me complete. It may happen like जो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ उसी में cover हो जाए, और फिर विप्लव जी को हम चांस देंगे, अगर कुछ छूटता है तो वो कवर करेंगे, देन डेफिनेटली अगर कुछ छूटेगा तो व्यूअर्स के लिए हम ऑप्शन छोड़ेंगे. थैंक यू. विप्लव जी, तो फिर जैसे हमने ये कंप्लीट किया, 6 मंथ्स का प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट हुआ, सेलिंग कंप्लीट हुआ, देन व्हाट नेक्स्ट? हाउ टू प्रोसीड फॉर नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट?
Yeah. So what happens is your company, they take you, they give you the job. Actually, it's like how you work in a company. So when you're working for 6 months, you are on the work. Then you get some leaves. That's see in my company. So basically, people say, "अरे यार merchant navy में 6 महीना घर पे 6 महीना जहाज पे." That is not entirely true. That might be true, but that's not entirely true. So
ओके.
the 6 months that you sail on board, you earn some leaves.
ओके.
So it's like, if you, for example, I'm giving you, if you earn suppose 20 days per month you serve. So 6 days you have served. You get 6 into 20. So 120 days you can stay at home.
ओके.
It's up to you. In my, but I'm just trying to say it depends on company to company. There are some companies who do hire you like on 4 on 3 off basis. So you have to go on shift for 4 months, and then you'll be off or at home for 3 months. But then after 3 months, you have to go back again.
ओके.
But in some companies, like contractual basis, it totally depends on you when you want to join back. So if I have some work at home, I want to join a little later. I want to join after 6 months. So it's my say.
ओके.
But if it's other type of companies, then I have to go after 4 months. So, and it depends. You want to join after, like, if you're physically so whenever I go on ship, every time I have to undergo a medical examination. That medical examination contains everything from like the whole body checkup to the drugs checks and everything, like, and different flags are different criterias as well. Some of the flags want audiometric test as well. So you have to undergo that. So every 6 months you have to go that. So if you're physically fit, you can join back like what, within 10-15 days, completing your documentations and everything, then you're good to join. But Personally, if I would say if you any one of you think of sailing, then I would say take your time home, because जितना दिखता है ना वैसा नहीं होता. घर पे टाइम देना भी बहुत important होता है. And I really miss,
Definitely.
sometimes when I'm on ship, I really miss so many events, so many functions. Out of my whatever 8-9 years of sailing, I have hardly like 2 or 3 birthdays मैंने घर पे बनाए हैं. बाकी सारे it's on high seas. So these are some factors that actually hinders. But again, हर जॉब में कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको ड्रॉबैक्स मिलते ही हैं. तो ये एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो आपको ओवरकम करनी होती है अपने अपने पर्सनालिटी में कि ओके यू आर स्ट्रांग. इफ यू आर होम सिक, दिस इज नॉट द फील्ड फॉर यू.
And what exactly are the hurdles during sailing while you sail?
Okay. That is a very I could go on and on and on about this topic, because I have faced a lot of problems as well. But there is a lot of I would say that it depends, sir. It again, I have faced 2 storms that have hit my ship for 9 days, and they were rolling and pitching. So it's like you are sitting in a bus that is going right and left and up and down continuously for 24 hours. And at that whole time, you have to even work. You have to climb ladders. You have to do stuff. You have to make sure machinery is working, because the whole sole thing is that your machinery, if you are going as an engineer, your whole sole motive of going on the ship is to make sure that your machinery works.
Okay.
It's like how the whole society works. अगर आपने एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक चीज पहुंचानी है, वो एक टाइम में पहुंचानी है. You cannot afford breakdowns in between. तो generally we do that. So hurdles कम यही होते हैं सर. Home sickness होती है. कई लोग there are times when you actually want to be at home, but you're in the middle of the sea. There's no port nearby. There's no sign off. You have to get over it. You have to make sure that ठीक है I can. And the फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि आप अपने घर के बारे में सोच के अपनी सेफ्टी को जेटरपाइज नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि शिप एक बहुत ही डेंजरस जगह भी रहती है. एनी इनफैक्ट मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट एनी फैक्ट्री यू कैन से इंडस्ट्री, the people who are working as engineers who are near machineries, they are very dangerous because they are moving parts. And we as seafarers keep safety the key important in our everything, in our even in our day-to-day work. The first thing we do is risk analysis, and we make sure that everything is safe. From our attire, we don't wear t-shirts and jeans or to go to work. We have a special work clothes known as boiler suits. Then our shoes are not regular shoes. There are safety shoes with metal cap and rubber coating. So safety is the most important. And the whole thing is कि आप safe रहिए. आप ये जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, आप 6 महीने के लिए शिप पे आए हैं लेकिन आपको घर जाना है. You have to make sure कि ये रहे आपके दिमाग में कि I have to go back home safe and sound. एक पीस में आया था, एक पीस में जाऊं. क्योंकि there have been quite a lot of instances where people have tried to take shortcuts, या उन्होंने कुछ गलती छोटी सी करी जिसकी वजह से कुछ major accident हो गए. So yeah, I would say the major drawback is homesickness and missing your loved ones. And then other factors, climates, work environment, they are again, that depends on person to person. वो आप जैसे जैसे बढ़ते रहते हैं वैसे वैसे you try and you overcome it, and then you become used to it. तो हमको आदत हो जाती है, अच्छा ठीक है 40 डिग्री की गर्मी जाने हैं तो जाएंगे यार, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. I was in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and the ambient temperature, outside temperature was 49 degrees.
Oh.
It was so hot. And I have been to St. Petersburg, Russia, where the temperature was minus 35. So you can imagine the type of climates that we have been through. But yeah, we don't stop for any calamities. We keep moving, and that is how we make sure that everything keeps moving.
So keep sailing, and security. I mean, the key is like you need to sail with the secure passion and instructions. Do you have?
Absolutely, sir.
So, Viplav, how much long a person can work for these kind of fields? I mean, I have heard that medically it is not good to work for that kind of a field till 60, as we usually do for a particular job profile. So, what is your take on it?
So as I said, before joining ship, you have to undergo medical. So if you're medically fit, there are standards set by Director General Shipping that you should be, you should not become when you're on ship, they shouldn't be that आपकी वजह से दूसरों को तकलीफ हो रही है. अब अगर कोई एक डायबिटिक पर्सन या कोई एक हार्ट ट्रबल्ड पर्सन शिप पे जाता है, we are traveling, we are in the middle of Atlantic Ocean, there is no land nearby for like 10 days और उसको कुछ हो जाता है तो मेडिकल हेल्प कहाँ से आएगी? एंड वी ऑन शिप, वी आर द वंस हु नो, हमको मेडिकल फर्स्ट एड ये सब कोर्सेज कराए जाते हैं, तो हमारा सिर्फ फर्स्ट एड तक ही रहता है. उसके हाँ, वी डू नो सीपीआर एंड अदर स्टफ्स, बट दीज आर नॉट इनफ टू सेव लाइव्स. सो जब तक आप मेडिकली फिट हैं, आप जा सकते हैं. एंड नाउ सम कंपनीज हैव स्टार्टेड पुटिंग अ कैप ऑन द एज ग्रुप, लाइक 55-60 जैसे आपने बताया. लाइक जो इंडियन कंपनीज हैं जो जिनकी बहुत पहले से चलती आ रही हैं, दे आर स्टिल गोइंग टू 65. बट दैट टोटली डिपेंड्स. अगर आप मेडिकली फिट हैं, यू आर रेडी फॉर द स्ट्रेस ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट, द वर्किंग, the rigor, then you can join. But yeah, I would not say keep after a period of time, 50 or 60 years later, I think so it's time to hang your boots. It's more than enough, you have sailed a lot.
Okay, some may say that 10-15 साल के बाद we should not sail because the climatic condition is like sea climates जो होते हैं बहुत अलग तरह के होते हैं. One should not sail more than 15 years. If somebody is thinking like this, so what is the another option after having experience of 15 years of sailing for a mechanical engineer?
Okay. Sure. So after, see, environment factors does not affect your health. Yeah, there are few factors like I did prepare some slides I wanted to show because there are different types of ships. So जो ships, अभी अगर आप chemical tankers या ऐसे किसी में हैं जहाँ पे आप जो cargo लेके जा रहे हैं अपना, that is very dangerous, or that is not environmentally how should I say, it's not. So you have to make sure कि वो safe रहे. तो लोग बोलते हैं कि जो chemical ships पे जाते हैं यार, वो 10 साल से ऊपर मत travel करो because your health would deteriorate and everything. But that's not a right thing to say. If everything is safe, because shipping has evolved a lot since Titanic, you can say. और जो जो गलतियां हुई हैं उनसे सीख के ऐसे ऐसे systems आ गए हैं अब in place where you are going on high seas in like आपको मालूम ही नहीं है कि कल क्या weather होने वाला है, but there are provisions to keep you safe in any condition. So yeah, years don't matter till the time you are mentally and physically fit. You can sail as long as you want. But yeah, if person thinks that what if I want to just do for a stopgap time, then I would say after taking the experience on ship, this experience does count in your technical experience. So whenever you try to take a shore job in any say power plant or any other mechanical factory, they do consider your sailing time as your work experience. So I know few chief engineers who have sailed and now are working on shore in big factories as a chief engineers or plant heads, and they can take a job ashore because we tend to then get to know so many machineries that are there on the ship. So most of those machineries like generators, boilers, ये काफी industries में रहते हैं. अगर आप उसमें अच्छे से well versed होंगे तो you can then handle onshore job as well.
Okay, that's what about merchant navy. This what जितना मैं जानना चाहता था. So my part is over. I think जितने मेरे पास question थे, I have shared, I have given sharing rights with you. So if you have something to share, तो please start करें.
So I hope I am able to answer all your questions, sir.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, yes, please.
Hello.
Viplav,
Matthew. So I
Viplav,
Yes, sir.
it's 10 minutes to relog in. Shall we relog in just now and then we start your part?
As you say, sir, I'm fine with anything.
Okay. So then we will relog in so that you will be having enough time to present yourself. Okay.
Sure, sir. No worries.
Okay. Okay. All the viewers will relog in just now.